Valentine's has come, Abidnana. It's not coming anymore. Sitting in the what is your plan for Valentine's? Is the pressure increasing or decreasing for you? Especially if you are singular, you are not paired at this time. Okanye i-pairing yakho ithanda uba tricky. Yes, you are paired, but you are not sure whether it's coming or it's going, it's lasting, or you are losing at love. Valentine's, it is here. Is the pressure increasing or decreasing? Because on the socials, the girlies and the boys already bayenza i-countdown to Valentine's. Akunzima mabetnana. I-pressure ayisana ayigugelwa, ayikhulelwa i-pressure, because even if, let's say, your situation is that really now for the real, when Valentine is not your thing, because already you got too much stress, too much pressure. Rara's economy is not looking good for you. You're not cruising nicely financially, but the pressure to look beautiful in a beautiful red dress, increase nono. That time you know that wena unendoda omXhosa or indoda eqotho yomZulu ezokutshela ukuthi awubonisa ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Yebo baba, uyangibonisa. Mina angikuthandi ngokwanele. Why manje kufuneka sifole for le pressure ye-Valentine? Mina ngimdala kabi, nginezinto eziningi emqondweni wami. Unendoda yomXhosa ke sana. Hayi nkosikazi. Please. Hayi tata, sengisho nobana napha esosayitini abanye omama noko otata zikhona into abazozenzela for i-Valentine's. Nkosikazi, i-peer pressure ayikhulelwa. Hayi tata, iyo-peer pressure sengisho ubana it's just a nice gesture tata. Hayi mani nkosikazi, kwezi ngxaki zingaka sinazo funeke sizihoyile, iziteshini zabantwana zikakagqibi ngazo. Please tata, just into encinci, senze nam ndikwazi upowusta. Sikubhaqele, awunalo nexesha le-Valentine's, but ufuna into yobana ukwazi upowusta izinto ezi-cute so that nawe ibe ngathi uqhafuqhafu. That time isimo sakho awusivumi. Jonga, kunegirli ethi apha, babe, I know things are tight, but can we please go to Hearties, hot air balloon love, a breakfast buffet? Oh, baby, it will be so beautiful. Overlooking Hearties. Okay, ufuna hot air balloon by fire, by force. And the man needs to make a plan. Make a plan, baba. Make a plan. Jonga, omnye uthi, love, ngiyacela wethu into yobana sizame noba yiCape Town. Hayi, Cape Town njani? That time balapha eGoli. Ndifuna like something cutesy, like Big Bay, like Sibuku Airbnb at Big Bay, just overlooking the ocean. Oh, just think how beautiful it's gonna be on my socials. Ooh, the pressure. Ooh, baba zaman ke sana. Omnye uthi, okay, if you cannot make it to Cape Town, masiye Mhlanga at least, because last year you remember we did something up eGoli, so andifuni manu awudukwa ngubani. Ooh, girlies. Kunzima bafazi. Nani madoda ke sana, i-pressure yenu i-over. Jonga omnye usingular, and you're going to make a call to laa mntu ebekhe wakufuna but waqonda uba hayi ayotype yam. Hi stranger, listen, what are you doing this weekend? I was just thinking we could just hang out, since we've always had a thing for each other. So, the desperado calls or text esizozithumela singosisi, because We don't want laa mini isifice sisodwa. Buy yourself flowers. Buy yourself some chocolates if that is your thing. Enjoy Valentine's by yourself because awufuni uzilandela i-heartbreak phezu kwale heartbreak ubusandophuma kuyo. Hayi, usakhala kaloku wena. You understand? Awusagowa usisemgodini womgo but ngoku ufuna uzilandela enye i-heartbreak. And ndiyamqonda lo mfana uba ipleyiti yakhe igcwele but ufuna uzifakisa just for laa mini, even if kunike i-30 minutes. Girlies, don't be too desperate. Nani, guys, don't be too desperate. Like, yeah, many Valentine's hype isenza into yobana senze izinto that we will live to regret, mabethu nana, emotionally, financially, ntontontoni. Because kaloku asifuni ushiyeka. Because kaloku i-FOMO has us on choke holds. Ndiyacela ke, if it's not like a villa in Camps Bay, hayi. All right, ke, can we do Bantry Bay, ke? Something beautiful in Bantry Bay. Jonga, abantu bafuna koma-Signal Hill, like noma yintoni, because i-pressure is getting worse. Ufuna ufosta njengomzekezeke sana nawe ube within igenge ye-Valentine's nawe. Yenzani ke mabethu if i-pressure you cannot resist it, if you cannot ntonton them bathi join them, but ke mabethu bangakuhurti and ungazihurti nawe ngabo. You understand? Ni-enjoy mabethu i-Valentine's if niyayicelebrata. Until next time, happy Valentine's in advance.